I'm hearing, looking out my window right now, hearing some strange fucking sounds out there. I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island, January 18th. And it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? Fuck is that shit?
What?
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This for all you YouTube people. You hear that? Might be sounds of the apocalypse there.
Precisa pintar, né? Pode? Está na arrumada. ¿Qué es esa picha? ¿Qué es esa picha? Esa picha, ¿no?
I don't know if you can hear it because my camera has really bad sound quality because it's just a regular point and shoot. But I know I'm hearing, like, I know it sounds really weird. It's kind of like a humming, singing kind of noise. I don't know. It's hard to hear, but here, listen. Like, I don't know where it's coming from. Like, I don't know what direction it's coming from. But I just started hearing it. And so I decided that I'd come and film it since, like, I've seen other people film things on YouTube. So, I don't know, I thought I'd film it. I don't know if this is, like, related at all to the trumpets, as people would call it, but I don't know, I kind of think it is, so I don't know, but yeah, you can still kind of hear it. Yeah, I didn't really know, but yeah, it's kind of creepy, and my camera's gonna die soon, so.
Did you feel that? Did you feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. It's like earlier. I don't know. But it sounds like it's like, I don't know. I can actually feel it vibrating. Really? It's like this hum. Yeah. You guys hear that too? What's going on?
¿Sabes? Sí, pero no se ve nada.